Welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm going to show you how to change your screen timeout. So this is basically how long it takes for your screen to turn off. So the first thing you want to do is head up to your main iPhone settings. So we want to tap into that. Now from the main settings, you'd think you'd go into screen time, but we don't want to go into screen time at the moment. We want to go into display and brightness. So we'll tap into that. I want to scroll down here on display and brightness, and as you can see, auto lock here, and it's got 30 seconds. However, as you can see, it's grayed out, and with it grayed out, this indicates that you have low power mode switched on. So we want to come back to the main settings by coming back, and then we want to scroll down until we see battery, and then we want to tap into that. And as you can see, within the battery settings, we have low power mode tabbed on. So we need to take low power mode off by tapping this low power mode button here. Now we can come back to the main settings, and let's go back to display and brightness. Now let's scroll back down, and as you can see, the auto lock is no longer grayed out. So we can tap into that. So here we have 30 seconds right away to never. So let's say we select 3 minutes. Now if you don't touch the phone or do anything to the phone, it will not auto lock for 3 minutes. It's usually typically set to 30 seconds. If you never want the display to turn off, you can select never. But every time you touch the screen, the timer will restart. So if you've selected 3 minutes, every time you touch it, the 3-minute timer will start again. So if you're watching YouTube videos or listening to music, that activity should keep the phone active. And your phone, even with this set to 30 seconds, should not lock. Also, if you ever want your phone to automatically lock, you can just press the power button and this will lock the phone at any time. Hope that helps you out, and if it did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.